للشعب ودادا ليكن حبك للأرض بداد.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Blender video which I haven't uploaded in a long time, but I'm going to do it now. So in this video I'm going to show how to do a toon shader, how to make a toon shader, and how to make a black outline on your object. So first you want to have like an object, so I'll delete this and I'll add how about a donut, so it's better to for showing for this video. So let me just make this add a subdivision, add this, say smooth. Yeah, that's basically all we need. And then so then what you need to do to make the toon shader, you select your object. Yeah, and it's better if you have like a smoother object. I think for me it's better. So if you go to shading, let me explain. So we're in the layout mode right now, and if you go up here, there's some modes, and if you go here, there's a shading mode which you can like use to like you can use to put materials, like manage materials, and you can also find the material tab here, but it's this side is like more simple and you can't really add nodes, but you can add a material here and like name it whatever you want. And if I show you, if you go to shading, it's created one. But you can also, if you delete this, you can also go to shading mode and then you can create one here. So we'll work in we'll work in the shading tab for now, in this video, not for now. And then rename your project, your material. I'll just name it a donut toon. Yep. And then you deselect this, you unconnect it, delete this, Shift A, add. So Shift A, you can put Shift A to pop up this thing which you can add nodes with. So you press search color ramp, and the color ramp is basically a color node which you can change the color with. There's also an RGB node, but this one is like more the color ramp has more features, and also it has this which we will be using, so we won't be using RGB. And then change this to constant, so that's an important thing. Change it to constant. Add a shader to RGB. This basically makes the toon shader, like makes it cartoony, and it disables some of the properties of the BSDF node, like the default node. It turns off reflections and yeah, a few other things. But yeah, mainly this is the main node. And also make sure you're in Eevee. So go to render properties, make sure you're in Eevee, because this won't work in cycles. And then put this in, connect it with the color ramp, and then add a diffuse BSDF. And then I'm pretty sure the diffuse is like, it adds twin. I can't say it. It starts with an L, but it adds like that reflection. So when a light goes onto it, the light reflects everywhere. So it's like it's like really bright. So yeah, you'll see that like after a while. So connect all of it, and then connect the color ramp with this. Turn this up. So as you can see, while I'm selecting this white bit, so wait, scroll in. On the color ramp, if you select the white tag and you move it, you can see this like white, like the donut is turning whiter. So the white bit is like the lighter bit of the toon shader, and the black bit is like the shadow. So you can change the value of this to match your desired shadow and like brightness. So you can change this white color to maybe light green, and then you can change the black to a darker green, and you can see it's like it adds this effect, which is pretty cool. And then yeah, that's basically it for the toon shader. Now to add the black outline, you basically select your material, go to the material tab on this area. So we're not using the nodes because I prefer using this now. So select it, click the plus button to add a new material, press new, change it to a mission, turn on backface culling, and change the shadow mode to none, and then change the color to all the way down to make it black because you want a black outline. And then you can also rename it outline. And then if we go to modifiers, add a solidify, click open normals, click flip, go to materials and click material offset. And now if we change the thickness, we can see we have a black outline. It's so cool. And yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, it's really, really cool. So yeah, and also if you go to a render mode, you won't see the toon shader effects because you need a light for it to work. So like you can see, like if you put a light near it, it has that like reflection thing. So yeah, that's basically it. So subscribe, like, and hit the bell, and I'll see you next time.